Losing weight is a common goal for many people, and one way to achieve this is by making changes to your diet. Eating the right foods can help you feel full and satisfied while also promoting weight loss. Here are some foods that can help you lose weight. Number 1. Lean proteins. Foods like chicken, fish, and turkey are excellent sources of lean protein. They can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. Lean proteins. Lean proteins are types of protein that are lower in fat than other protein sources. They are an important part of a weight loss diet because they can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. They also help preserve muscle mass while you're losing weight, which can help you burn more calories even when you're at rest. Examples of lean proteins include chicken breast, fish, turkey breast, shrimp, scallops, crab, and lean cuts of beef and pork, such as sirloin and tenderloin. Plant-based lean proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu are also great options. Eating a variety of lean proteins can ensure that you are getting all the essential amino acids your body needs for optimal health. Foods like chicken, fish, and turkey are excellent sources of lean protein. They can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. Number 2. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are an important part of a healthy diet, including a weight loss diet. They are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. Additionally, fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health. Fruits and vegetables are also a great source of antioxidants, which help protect against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables can also help ensure that you are getting a wide range of different vitamins and minerals, which are essential for good health. Examples of fruits that can be included in a weight loss diet include berries, apples, oranges, and grapefruit. Vegetables that can help with weight loss include leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and bell peppers. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables can also provide a wide variety of flavors, textures, and colors to your meals, making them more enjoyable to eat. It's important to note that fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as cucumber, lettuce, and watermelon, are also low in calories and can be great options for weight loss. Eating fruits and vegetables in their whole form, rather than processed or in juice form, can be beneficial as they contain more fiber and nutrients. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for weight loss. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals that are important for overall health. Number 3. Whole grains. Whole grains are an important part of a healthy diet, including a weight loss diet. Whole grains are grains that have not been refined, which means that they still contain all of their nutrient-rich parts, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. Whole grains are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. They also provide important nutrients like B vitamins and minerals such as iron and magnesium. Examples of whole grains include oats, quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat bread. Whole grains can be incorporated into a weight loss diet in many ways. Whole grains are more nutrient-dense than their refined counterparts and have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Eating a variety of whole grains can also provide a wide range of flavors, textures, and nutrient benefits. It's important to note that while whole grains can be beneficial for weight loss, consuming them in excessive amounts may lead to weight gain. Therefore, it's important to pay attention to portion sizes and to combine whole grains with other nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice are high in fiber and can help you feel full and satisfied. They also provide important nutrients like B vitamins and minerals. Number 4. Legumes. Legumes are a group of plants that includes beans, lentils, peas, and chickpeas. They are an important part of a healthy diet, including a weight loss diet. Legumes are high in protein and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. They also provide important vitamins and minerals, such as iron and potassium. Legumes are also a great source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent alternative for vegetarians and vegans. They can be used in many different ways, such as adding lentils to a salad, making a bean dip, or using black beans in a burrito. Legumes are also relatively low in calories and have a low glycemic index, which means that they are less likely to cause a spike in blood sugar levels. This can be beneficial for weight loss as it can help prevent overeating and promote a sense of fullness. Legumes can be enjoyed in many forms, such as whole, split, sprouted, or ground. They can be used in soups, stews, curries, salads, and as a side dish. They can also be used to replace meat in dishes such as chili tacos and burgers, providing a healthy and delicious alternative. It's important to note that legumes are also a great source of complex carbohydrates, which are essential for providing energy for the body. It is important to rinse them before using to reduce the sodium content and to soak them before cooking to reduce the cooking time and make them more easily digestible. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and peas are high in protein and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. They also provide important vitamins and minerals such as iron and potassium. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a great addition to a healthy diet, including a weight loss diet. They are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. They also provide important vitamins and minerals such as magnesium and zinc. Examples of nuts that can be included in a weight loss diet include almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. Seeds that can help with weight loss include chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Nuts and seeds can be eaten as a snack, added to oatmeal or yogurt, or used as a topping on salads. Nuts and seeds are calorie-dense foods, meaning they are high in calories for a small serving size. Therefore, it is important to pay attention to portion sizes and to consume them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. A serving size of nuts or seeds is usually about 1 ounce, or a small handful.